I'm Cornelia McPherson. Been living in this home since about 1988. Been here through thick and thin. I used to ride a bike and I used to ride through the block. A beautiful block, always nice and clean. They had flowers and everything. I said, I didn't even see the house. The house was up for sheriff's sale, so he couldn't show it to me in the inside. But I said, I'm gonna buy the house. I like that street. And so I did get the house and moved in it, and we try to keep it up. The maintenance of it, and I'm definitely trying to keep it clean. I don't like a lot of clutter. I like to people's house. I say, oh my God, that would drive me crazy. My husband's like, he like to keep stuff. Oh Lord, he'll keep stuff and say it's valuable.
I waited for she ever mention my name.
So when he came out and they did the inspection, he said, well, we're going to do so-and-so, so-and-so. And everything I was asking for in my mind, they came out to say they was going to do it. So they gave me a new roof, gave me a whole new electrical box. They put an outlet over there for an air conditioner and upstairs, and did all the outlets. Even the little things they added on the bathroom, and having the things come in for my husband for the bathroom, the bars, and next week they take the carpets up off the floor. I said, wow, and put down some hardwood floors in the front bedroom and the back bedroom. Everything they did was needed and appreciated.